Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new in this channel and if you're here for the very first time, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to eradicate fats, get rid of fat at your tummy area or at your arm, anywhere you just want to get, you just want to remove those fats. You just apply this externally, okay, and you are going to be seeing that this is just going to work in removing those fat cells, and those fat cells is going to shrink, and therefore your belly fat is just going to go off and your belly is going to shrink. Okay, so if you want to know what this comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Ask me your personal curious or beauty question, guys. Follow me on Instagram. Now let's dive into this video. So the very first ingredient we're going to be needing for this is going to be Aboniki balm. Okay, so if you don't have Aboniki balm, you can use Vapor Rub. Okay, here I can't get hold of Vapor Rub, and that's why Aboniki balm is the option. But Aboniki balm is superb. It is way good, and it's going to burn all of those belly fat externally, like, trust me. Okay, you can actually buy Aboniki balm in a pharmacy store. Okay, that's where you get it. And so how you're going to be mixing this all up, you're going to be taking just a little bit of Aboniki balm, about half teaspoon of that. Okay, you don't take too much of that, okay, because it's usually very hot. Then we're going to be making use of baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. This is one ingredient that works wonders to the skin and also to the body. It helps to remove belly fat internally, and also externally it helps to trigger the fat, and Aboniki would help to burn it up. Okay, so that's why we need the combinations of all of these things to make it work really nice. And then for the bicarbonate of soda, 1 teaspoon is going to be okay. This is half tablespoon though, so that's why I have a little in it. And then we're going to be needing a little bit of rice powder. Now this is to make the skin smooth, and so when you use Aboniki, it's not going to be too harsh. The rice powder is just going to calm the harshness of the Aboniki balm, and then it's just going to be working hand in hand in removing your belly fat externally. Now this is not just for belly. You can actually apply it wherever you want to get rid of fat. Then I'm going to be putting half tablespoon of the rice powder in it. Now to make it even better, we're going to be adding up a little bit of coconut oil. Now it's just to liquidify this whole ingredient, so I'm going to be putting in half tablespoon of coconut oil, so to liquidify it. Now I'm going to mix this all up. So you have to mix and mix very well so that the Aboniki can spread through anywhere you want to apply it, okay? So how you're going to apply this is that you're going to take this, okay, and then you're going to apply it wherever you don't want belly fat anymore. Okay, you're going to apply it on your belly just like that. Okay, so after you've applied this, you're going to grab a clean nylon, okay, or any nylon that is going to be comfortable for you, and then you cover this hole up. Now you have to tight it, like you have to cover it up, let it be very tight, okay? Make it very tight. You can wrap it 2 to 3 times, let it be very tight. Now when you're done, then you can actually cut it off. You have to be careful, guys. So you tight it, okay? Let it be very tight. Now you can hold this on your skin just like I'm holding it right now. It's actually pretty hot, okay? So if you want to get rid of your flappy hands, you have to use this and cover it up, and it's just going to get rid of all of the flappy hands, okay? And then after 1 to 2 hours, then you can get rid of it. Now if you want to use this for exercise, you can rub it through and then you go on exercise in the morning with it. You exercise with this wrap on your waist or on your belly, wherever, okay? And you are gonna be feeling the full impact of this remedy on your tummy, guys. It's just going to be burning those fat. It's going to be burning those fat cells, and you are going to be sweating a whole lot, okay? So after 1 to 2 3 hours, it depends on how much you can stay for this thing to burn your fat, then you can get rid of it, okay? Now when you get rid of it, you'll be noticing that you're going to sweat a whole lot. You're going to really sweat, and well, like as I am here, is actually pretty hot on my skin right now, but of course I don't want my hand to go slimmer. There's actually no fat around here, or maybe look at, it's just skin, no fat. So you have to apply it where there is fat so it can burn those fat cells, okay? Alright, so for this you can store it for as long as you want. Is their oil, they are not going to go bad, okay? So you can actually continue using it. It works better when it stays longer on your skin. Alright guys, so that's it. The essence of it is so you could sweat so freaking much, you know, out of that place, and your fat cells is just gonna shrink, okay? When it shrink, your belly fat is gonna go off. Alright, so that's it. That's how you're gonna do it, and you're gonna be pleased with your result. If you did love this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask them on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay trim, beautiful and flawless. Bye guys.